This is the G5 Plus. G5 Plus can be installed against the pole and on the wall. Before starting installation, please prepare the following accessories: crosshead screwdriver, hammer drill, marker pen. Open the package, you will see the following items. Here's a quick look at what we'll be doing. Step 1. Inserting the nano SIM card into the SIM card slot. Step 2. Installing the network cable. Take out the connection kit. Disassemble the connection kit. The rubber seal can be opened to insert the network cable. Remove the plug from the rubber seal. Pass the network cable through the connection kit and cover plate. Connect the RJ45 connector to the network port. Push the cover plate upwards until it is secured, and then use the screw anti-theft removal wrench to install the cover plate on G5 Plus. Tighten the shell to the cover plane. Attach the seal jaw to the rubber seal. Attach the rubber seal to the shell. Tighten the nut onto the shell. Connect the network cable, which is from G5 Plus, to the network port on the PoE adapter. Step 3. Using Install Helper app to find the best signal. Use your mobile phone and open the App Center and search for Install Helper application. Connect to G5 Plus based on the guidance in Install Helper app. Use Install Helper app to detect the best signal location. We recommend you to find an open area and move G5 Plus slowly, or try different positions to find the best signal. When you find the best signal, install G5 Plus by following the subsequent installation steps. Step 4. Selecting appropriate mounting approach based on your environment. Install G5 Plus against a pole. Place the bracket in the corresponding position of G5 Plus and then screw the 4 M5 Phillips head screws into the bracket of G5 Plus. Use a screwdriver to loosen the clip and release the fastener. Pass the clamp through the bracket against the pole, press the buckle, and use a screwdriver to lock the clamp to the proper tightening position. Pull the network cable from outside the window to your house. Install G5 Plus on a wall. Place the bracket on a suitable wall. Mark the corresponding point with a marker pen. Use an M8 percussion drill to drill the hole at the marked location and install 4 M5 expansion plugs. Install the 2 M5 expansion screws on the expansion socket below. Do not tighten them, as G5 Plus will be hung here later. Place the bracket in the corresponding position of G5 Plus and then screw the 4 M5 Phillips head screws into the bracket of G5 Plus. Install G5 Plus on the wall by attaching the 2 expansion screws to the upper expansion bolts and tightening. Pull the network cable from outside the window to your house. Step 5. Connecting the PoE adapter and indoor router. Connect the PC network port on the PoE adapter to indoor router and power on the indoor router. G5 Plus installation process has been successfully completed. Enjoy your network.